Hey Sophie, it's Madam Sophie here again to do another makeup product review. This time I'm going to be reviewing the new lip colors, the new Stunna lip paints that Fenty Beauty recently came out with. They came up with a total of 3 colors, I believe, but I didn't really like one of the colors. So I went ahead and I bought 2 of the new colors. I bought the color Unlocked and the color Undefeated. So these are the 2 colors I bought at the store. I have not opened these boxes just yet, but these are the 2 lip paints I bought to add to my collection. And I did make sure that I picked up the right color this time, because you guys know the last time what had happened was I picked up the wrong color and I didn't mind my business. So this time I made sure I mind my business, okay? So I want to see how these lip paints show out on my lips. Please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, welcome, honey. I hope that you like, share, comment, and subscribe on your way out. Don't forget to subscribe, and after you subscribe, you better hit that bell to be in the Sophia's mix. Okay, you gotta join the Sophia squad because you are a sophisticated lady. Yes, you are indeed. Okay, so let's move on to these lippies. The first color I'm going to try is the Unlocked color. The Unlocked color, I will kind of describe it to be a magenta color. So I'm going to open it up for the first time. I was able to swatch these in the store before I purchased them. So this is like a very magenta color that I think I could rock really well. So this is what this color looks like. I saw the Unlocked color in the store. It really did remind me of this lip paint, well, this matte liquid lipstick that I have from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Tarteist lip color, and I think this is in the color, if I can read, Fly. This is in the color Fly from Tarte Cosmetics. And these 2 colors look really similar, but they actually are not very close. This shade is a little brighter than this shade, but when I saw this shade in the store, it really reminded me of my Tarte Cosmetics lip paint, but it's not the same. And I'll actually, just to be all nosy, I'll put them side by side on I'll do a swatch. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the color Unlocked. I'm just going to swatch it really quickly on my hand. So this is what the color looks like. It is pretty bright, and it still kind of reminds me of my Tarte Cosmetics lip paint. So I'm gonna take the Tarte Cosmetics lip paint, and I'm just going to put it, this is in the color Fly, by the way. I'm just going to swatch it right next to Miss Fenty's stuff. So this is it right here. Oh wait, there is a difference in the shade. So the shade you're seeing at the top is going to be the Tarte Cosmetics matte lip paint, and this one down here is Fenty Beauty in the color Unlocked. So the Fenty Beauty color, the Fenty Beauty lip paint, the Stunna lip paint in Unlocked is certainly different from the Tarte Cosmetics lip paint. I'm just going to remove the Tarte one because I don't want to confuse anyone over here. So I guess after all, this one was worth buying because I don't have this shade in my collection already. So okay, we're gonna swatch. We're gonna do a lip swatch. Okay, Sophia, so this is how this is how Unlocked looks in the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint. This color is amazing. This color really changed the way my makeup look with this hair, and I'm really loving it. I can definitely see myself rocking this lip paint during summer break. It is definitely a magenta shade, and it is a game changer. I really love the way this looks. So this is Unlocked from Fenty Beauty. This is how she's looking. Okay, Sophie, so we're gonna move on to the next shade. This is what Undefeated from the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paints looks like. This color is really good, a really rich violet color. I wouldn't say it's kind of like, yeah, it's more like on it's more of a violet color. I wouldn't say that it's purple, but it is a mixture of violet with a tad bit of purple. So I'm gonna pop this color on. How the color looks when it's swatched. So this is how it looks when it is swatched. So this is Undefeated and this is Unlocked. Okay, so this is the one we're gonna swatch now. Is how Undefeated looks from the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint collection. Like I said, in all, Riri came out with Riri came out with 3 new shades that she added to the Stunna Lip Paint collection, and I picked up 2 at Sephora. These lip paints run for $24 a piece, $24 a piece, and I decided to pick up two of the new shades. The other shade was more of a corally orangish color, coral orangish color, and I didn't think that that color would look really nice on my skin tone, so I decided not to pick it up. So I just decided to pick up the Undefeated and Unlocked color. I am really loving these 2 shades. They are both favorites. I can't wait to do an eyeshadow tutorial using them as the lip color. So I'm definitely impressed. Again, this is the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paints. This is from her new collection in the color Undefeated and Unlocked. What I really love about these lip paints and why I keep buying them is because a little goes a very long way. Whenever you wear these colors, you don't have, this is not your regular matte liquid lipstick. Just go like this, and whatever pearl that is on the applicator of this lip paint, this is going to cover your entire lip. You don't need to double dip, triple dip, or go back again and second coat. I've never had to second coat. Okay, 1 coat does the job. And are these lip paints Sophy approved? Yes, they are Sophy approved. And I'm not just saying that because I love Fenty Beauty for their lip paints or their matte liquid lipsticks, but I really love this. I really love these colors. I really love the way they showed on my face. I must say that I love the new colors that she added to their collection because it definitely added a pop of spring, summer. You can rock these colors for spring, for summer, for daytime, for nighttime, and I'm really loving it because of that. So definitely these lip paints are indeed Sophy approved. Will I recommend it? Certainly I will recommend it. If you are on the Fenty Beauty bandwagon for Stunna lip paints, I think that you should pick this one up. That's it for today, beauties. If you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, I hope that you like, share, comment, and certainly subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell on your way out as well, because you gotta be in the Sophia's mix. You gotta be in the mix because you are a sophisticated lady. So don't forget to hit that bell to join the Sophia squad. To my subscribers, thank you for stopping by again today. Thank you for sending some love and support my way. And thank you for all that you do. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.